If you want to make money online, I'm here to help you do it. My name is Sigley, and I went from being in $60,000 of student loan debt, making minimum wage in a call center, to traveling the world, living a life of freedom, fun, and adventure by using a simple business model called drop servicing to build multiple online businesses, driving millions of dollars online that I still run to this day. And on this channel, I'm helping you do the same. Because here, I teach you the precise strategies and tactics that my students and I use to make $10,000 or more per month with drop servicing. And this is a business model that not really many people know about yet, but it's allowing thousands of people worldwide to build substantial online incomes in the easiest and fastest way possible. So on this channel, you're going to find in-depth interviews with successful drop services, case studies showing you in detail how we make money, the theory that makes everything work, and question and answer sessions to help you personally on your journey. But more importantly, everything you're going to see is based on real world results, no fluff. So watch these videos, take action, and you'll start building a solid online income. And if you ever want to take things to the next level, I also run a coaching program called the Drop Servicing Blueprint that helps people from all walks of life build their own online businesses just like I did. So click subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you stay up to date with all of the latest strategies and tactics from our businesses to yours. And once you've done that, start with these two videos here, and I'll see you in the next video.